Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving deep into a crucial component for many DELL XPS and Alienware Aurora owners, the AMPBORE HU460AM-01 power supply. Specifically, this unit is designed as a replacement for several DELL models, including the XPS 8000, 8100, 8300, 8500, 8900, 8910, 8920, and 8930, as well as the Alienware Aurora R5 series. If you're experiencing power issues or simply want a reliable replacement, this could be the answer. The HU460AM-01 boasts a maximum output of 460W, which should be sufficient for most configurations of these desktop models. It supports an AC input of 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, making it compatible with various power standards. Connectivity is well covered with a 24-pin connector, a 4-pin connector for SATA connectors, and two 6-pin video card connectors. This ensures compatibility with a range of components you might have in your system. One of the key advantages of this power supply is its compatibility with multiple DELL part numbers, including WC1T4, OWC1T4, CN0WC1T4, PC9004, 15D8R, WI7XX, FEGCW, DM1RW, GGXN1, and 7YC7C. It also replaces models like HU460AD-01, L350AM-00, AC460AM-00, AC460AD-00, D460AM-01, AC460AM-01, D460AM-02, D460AM-03, and DPS 460dBA. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile option for DELL users. When choosing a power supply, reliability is paramount. A failing power supply can cause system instability, data loss, or even hardware damage. The AMPBORE HU460AM-01 aims to provide a stable and consistent power source for your DELL or Alienware system. Installation is generally straightforward, especially if you're replacing an existing power supply. However, it's always a good idea to consult your system's manual or seek professional assistance if you're not comfortable working with computer hardware. Remember to disconnect the power cord and take necessary precautions to avoid electrical shock. In summary, the AMPBORE HU460AM-01 power supply offers a reliable and compatible replacement option for a range of DELL XPS and Alienware Aurora R5 systems. With its 460W output and comprehensive connector set, it should meet the power demands of most standard configurations. If you're looking to replace a failing power supply or simply want a reliable upgrade, the HU460AM-01 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.